Hey, Scott Grove here, and I'm with Grex airbrushing tools, I guess. They have a whole line of tools, but I love their airbrush. And they got a new announcement. They've partnered with the Airbrush Institute, and Mary Ellen here is going to talk about it.
Hi, we wrote a book on how to airbrush, so it's the perfect accompaniment to your setup for your airbrushes. So we would take you through everything that an airbrush can do. So we start off with how it works, how to hold it, what not to do, some troubleshooting, and then we move into everything that a brush can do, which is dots and lines and dagger strokes. And there's 50 exercises that something to apply your skill to as you grow your skills. Everything's cumulative. And there's 4 final projects in the back that you're working up to. The best part is we have a workbook page for every single lesson. So you take this, you duplicate it, and you do it over and over, then you move to the next.
Nice, yeah. I like that. Okay, great. So check them out at AWFS in Las Vegas this summer. Check out Grex, Airbrush Institute.
Thank you.
See you then, bye.